Hi everyone, I am Mohammad Qasim, technical recruiter at Ironclave. So we are currently hiring for the engineering research and development department. So what does it mean is that we are looking for electrical, mechatronics as well as mechanical engineers. Your core responsibilities will be as you have earlier studied in your curriculum, preferably in your 6 to 8 semesters, control engineering. So control system engineer are highly required because they will be using their expertise to develop, design, install and maintain equipment using monitor and control system, machinery and processes. Why? Because we will be dealing in closed loop system. There are two types of system, as we know, open loop and closed loop. So we will be using feedback control mechanisms in our applications, and we need you guys to be able to promote the existing infrastructure by building, designing, and maintaining the equipment to monitor the machineries and the entire processes. More details will be shared once you get hired, so no hurry here. Secondly, other we can see is for the designing engineer. Why designing engineer? Because as a design engineer you need to develop, integrate and support project engineering deliverables through engineering drawing course that you had earlier studied, and the specifications, the product selection, installation, sequence planning and commissioning, everything will be considered and you will be provided with the necessary details. Secondly, energy engineers, those who have studied electrical engineering must know about the power system protection, power system operation and control, high voltage engineering, and the smart grid concept. Plus, you need to integrate sustainable development goals as described by the United Nations. Why? Because as we are moving towards driving energy efficiency initiatives, so to reduce operational cost and supporting our commitment to sustainability. Thirdly, software engineers having a strong grip in Python, preferably as well as Rust, are encouraged to apply. This is because we need projects engineers who have earlier worked on programming related infrastructural projects and have the idea to create enterprise software for clients. And at fourth we have systems engineer vacancy. So you need to have a good mindset for building large scale networking infrastructures, including high performance computer configurations plus the systems. So systems engineer means system design engineer. You will be designing the perfect system. For example, if we are given a project by the client about machine learning recommendation systems, so you must have strong grip on machine learning algorithms. So now, telecommunication engineer. Why telecommunication engineer? Because designing, coordinating, and specifying wireless communications infrastructure are required and done by telecommunication engineer. As most electrical engineers and telecommunication engineers, proper engineers have studied in their final year. So the essentials are that bachelor's degree or higher in either mechanical or electrical, industrial, systems engineer. System engineer means that mechatronics engineering. So professional or academic experience using technical solutions such as CAD software, SolidWorks, Revit, Python, SCADA, MATLAB, VHDL, and similar. So the prime purpose to tell you guys is that we don't want any of the non-technical people to come and approach us. We only want the relevant people so that your time and our time can be saved. So it becomes a win-win situation for both of us. We have earlier witnessed that majority of the candidates from business sector, marketing sector, taxation sector, finance sector approach us for engineering roles. So these types of internships are primarily for the engineers who have strong laboratory and theoretical experience while studying their university. So you guys don't have to be an engineer at this while applying for this job. Yes, you need to be enrolled in an engineering university. So the primarily reason to launch this video was to save your time and to encourage only those candidates, motivate those candidates who have the required expertise and consider themselves suitable candidates. Earlier, we have witnessed many applicants who have been randomly approaching us through email, through our website, through LinkedIn, and again and again confessing that even though they are from the non-technical background, but due to their family background or family pressure, economic restraints, job hunting problems, they are forced to even join for the engineering jobs. So we are sorry for them. We will only be entertaining those who really belong from the engineering background after properly verifying their current academic status through their transcripts and through vigorous tests and interviews. So thank you.